two data removal services and they don't even measure themselves in the same way. Today, we're breaking down Incogni versus DeleteMe to see which one actually holds up once you look past the marketing. Here's a quick refresher on why this matters. Data brokers collect your name, your address, your phone number, even your relatives, and package it up for anyone willing to pay. Privacy Rights Clearinghouse, working with the EFF, has identified at least 750 unique data broker groups registered across the US. And that's only counting the ones registered at all. So we looked at two of the most discussed data removal services on the market, Incogni and DeleteMe. Here's where it gets tricky because DeleteMe advertises broad coverage across its plans, but Incogni, on the other hand, takes a direct, concrete approach. An independent Deloitte assurance report confirmed Incogni covers at least 420 data broker sites and private databases. That includes removal confirmations from those brokers, and it's processed over 245 million removal requests and counting. So the fair comparison isn't headline number versus headline number. It's about what's automated on day one versus what requires extra manual work potentially, or maybe a higher tier to unlock. That's the distinction worth checking for yourself, and when testing them both, I found Incogni had the edge. Now, to understand this, we have to understand how each one works, which I'll get into right now. DeleteMe leans on a mix of automation and real people. It sends out quarterly reports and in some cases provides links or screenshots showing exactly what was found and removed. Incogni, on the other hand, is fully automated from start to finish. It sends removal requests on a recurring basis, and it resubmits that information every 30 to 60 days as brokers relist your information. It also keeps you updated as it goes. DeleteMe's manual review can feel more thorough on paper, since the human's double-checking all the work. But it also tends to mean slower turnaround, especially for anything outside the sites already baked into your starting plan. This is usually where people make their decisions, so let's get specific. DeleteMe's individual standard plan runs at $129 a year, that's about $10.75 a month, with a premium tier at $180 a year that adds more custom removals and a handful of extra broker sites. Multi-year plans bring the effective monthly cost down. Incogni's standard plan runs at about $7.99 a month on an annual plan. That's around $96 a year. And that price already includes automated coverage across all 420 plus brokers. If you want removals beyond that list, custom removals are actually available on the $14.99 a month unlimited plan. So dollar for dollar, Incogni's entry price is lower. And it also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you want to test the coverage claims yourself. That's something DeleteMe's standard refund window doesn't offer the same way. So here's my honest verdict. If you specifically want manual, human-reviewed removals with detailed screenshots for peace of mind, and you don't mind paying more for that reassurance, DeleteMe does have its place. But if you actually want broad, automated coverage, something that's very scalable, and for a lower starting price, Incogni comes out ahead in that specific comparison. More brokers covered automatically out of the gate, continuous resubmission built in, and a risk-free guarantee to back it up. And that's why out of the two, Incogni is the one I would point people toward the most. You can use the code Nader, that's N-A-D-E-R, for 60% off Incogni's annual plan. It's on the screen right now, and it's also linked in the description below. It's also backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it. Your information's already out there, so the real question is, what are you going to do about it? We'll see you in the next video.